This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Want to discuss one advantage of playing breakouts, especially when they meet the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout. And the biggest reason being that this method, or any breakout method, helps you find areas in a chart where the momentum is to the upside, while conversely keeping you away from periods where a stock is in a decline mode. So by playing breakouts, and especially quality breakouts, you can be part of an advance while staying away from periods where a stock is struggling to stay to the upside with momentum. Now, if you know what you're looking for, we can see here a good example visually. And of course, this is hindsight analysis, I concede. So clearly hindsight analysis, but we can see there's a period here of about 3 years where there's really no direction. The stock is primarily in this box. And then something happens, as you can see, there's a push above that level on a price closing basis. Eventually we clear that level here. Now, based on the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout, we can see that this also coincides with your RSI moving to 3-year highs. And it also coincides with both MACDs, if not one of the MACDs. So let's take a look. We're talking about this period here, this breakout in price, somewhere there. We can see that the MACDs were also moving to 3-year highs. Now, just by understanding what it takes for an instrument to change its behavior, its makeup. Now keep in mind, it's important to again emphasize that by insisting on the minimum requirements, you avoid 3 years of holding to an instrument that is not showing any signs of momentum, while the minimum requirements give you a signal. And once that signal is flashed, then you know it is time to take a trade and see whether it's going to work out. And this particular example, again, hindsight analysis, I concede. We can see here that by insisting on the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout, we clear that area and we begin a momentum push to the upside. There's another breakout here, again, that met the minimum requirements, giving you another opportunity. There's another breakout here that met the minimum requirements, give you another upside opportunity, and yet another minimum requirement for a breakout, a fresh breakout here that gave you a fresh entry. Now you can see the advantage of playing the breakouts, and here we are using the monthly closing highs. The advantage is clearly you avoid this phase where recently we've seen the stock show a decline. Again, the beauty of a breakout, especially if you know what you're looking for, is you get to hold the stock when it is showing momentum and avoid a stock in decline. Links are going to be in the description as to the ultimate Muathe breakout introduction. Peace and blessings. E-A-C-S.